Hello everyone, this is William from the Earth System Fresco. I am the author and the creator of all what you're going to see, workshop and the websites. So today I want to simply show you how to apply for a workshop. So if you don't personally know the people who are the organizers of the workshop, like you have everything set up already, like you can just verbally speak to them and register and apply, or they are in your company or your organization. If there is no internal organization, the only way to go is our website. And if you go to our website, you will find this main website that we have, and you will notice that pretty much everywhere there are incentives to get involved into a workshop. You got it here. You can find it on the top link here. You can go in French or in English here. Like for example, if you go to the workshop and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you got a new link too. And these are also present here. Sign up for a workshop. If you go to organizing a workshop, there's also the links going to the other website. Okay, so this is the main website, the one that only serves about informational stuff regarding how it is, the sources we have, the references we have. You can go to check all the sources that are used, the scientific papers, the people, the videos, the Wikipedia articles. You got everything that you need to know what the workshop is about, how it works, and the time it is, how it is spent, and how you do that in French, and of course in English too. You can get the workshop slides if you want to organize it yourself, and you can go to Mural and Discord if you want to. The Discord place is where you should discuss if you want to get involved into the workshop, because Discord is used for the online workshops. So let's assume you are on our website now and you just want to sign up for a workshop. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and you're going to arrive on this website in French or in English, automatically redirected. So I'm just going to switch to English because it detected that my browser is in French, so it wants to show the website in French. So there is no difference. You see, it's just the same website in French, English, all right? There's exactly the same functionality for everyone. So I've just closed the French website now, and so what you're gonna do here is you land on the second website, which is in the URL of workshops.theearthsystemfresco.org, which is also atelier.lafresquedusystemterre.org in French. All right, so once you're here, you've got all you need, information. So you can just scroll all the pages, you've got all the information about how to organize stuff. You can get some useful information when it comes to animating the workshops. You can just get some basic legal information, and you can also have more information if you have, like I said, a group, an organization, a company, or just any small self-organized group of people. I've been leading these workshops with people who were never an organization or a company, who were lovely people, but they didn't have any official structure to go by. They were just friends who wanted to apply for a workshop. So you can change your language on any page at any time, and if you just go there, you will have the French version of this page, etc., etc. So let's assume that's what you can also find a certification, like there should be mine. If you go there, you will see that's my certification as someone who passed the workshop. I'm pretty sure I passed it as I designed the workshop, but I think it's fine. So I have a certification too, it's fine. You can have multiple certifications, and you can find the list of your certifications in your personal account space that I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's assume you want to find a session. So right now I just put the website online, so I didn't have the time yet to set up the first sessions that I'm going to organize. I'm going to organize 4 of them: online workshop in French, in English, and online extension with digital electronics. So what I'm going to do here for the purpose of this video is just switch to a local version. This is not the online workshop, this is on my computer, but if you just go here, you will see that I have some fake events that I added. This is going to look exactly like it's going to be online when there will be real events. All right, so if I just go and find a session now, I'm going to switch in English. So boom, we just go back to English. You can filter if you want, in the case there will be many sessions in the future, by country. Country means where it is organized. Even if it's an online workshop, an online event, you can still find someone who is probably on the same time zone, which is great, by the way. So you can check for online events only, and it will filter automatically the online events only. And you can change the language in which the workshop is available. So far, I only have English and French. We are open to getting translations. I would love to have this workshop translated in Chinese, in Japanese, Russian, German, Italian, Spanish, pretty much by ranked countries in GDP from top to bottom. That is the most important, but any language is welcome if you have the will to do so. Just get in touch with me. So if you want to find a workshop that's only in English, you will have only in English. If you are just like me, you want to watch something in French, you will see that this is only organized in French, all right? And if you don't care, you don't care. If you want to find a specific workshop, like we had the Earth System Workshop, main workshop here in New Zealand, we can just select only this one, only the Earth System Fresco main workshop, online and in English. So we got two results, and you see you got here the place where it is organized. You got the recap. This is the main workshop only. This is online. This is in English. The location is actually someone who is in New Zealand, so there is a time that is given. If this is okay to you, you can accept this time. And it tells you that the organizer is actually on the Tokelau time, so this is not going to be your time, but this is taken care for you. So they say the organizer will be at this local time, and you on the server right now will be here. And if you get an account and you want to tell the server where you are in the world, it's going to tell you. I'm going to show that to you. You got the reminders and estimated duration. You got some random information. The organizer can add some useful information, and you always have a calculation that says how many people can be attending the workshop from 5 to 7, because the organizer didn't want to go over 7. It tells you how many places are left, how many people have registers, and it tells you there's an animator already in the room, so that's fine. You can just check for sign up, and sometimes when you're not lucky, the events will be already full, which we use, they will be just blurred out, like grayed out like that. If they are already ready, it means the organizer has decided not to accept more registrations anymore. That probably means they got some people who are not on the website but who will be coming to the workshop or something, and that can happen. So that only shows of course the events that are going to happen. So let's just say we want to register for the first one. So we say we want to sign up. It's going to give you a recap of what you're signing up, and it says, all right, welcome here, but first you got some steps that you need to complete. You have found an event, which is great. We just did that. Then we need to log on, and for that we need to create an account, and for that we have an account validated, and then we registered, and on the day we should be going here. So first it says, hey, I don't know you, you must be logging in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, but first, when you land here, you don't have an account, right? So you're going to register first. So you're going to fill in all this name, like you're going to say I'm William, that's my name. You're going to use whatever Hotmail, whatever email you wanted. You're going to generate a password that you're going to repeat. And then you accept the terms of use. The terms of use are displayed on the page where you got all the legal information here. So that's all you need to do. So when you click on create an account here, I'm not going to do this for you now, but if all the information is correct and the email is not existing and the nickname is not existing, this will be used to log in. And if you accept the terms and stuff, you just create an account, and boom, it's going to create an account. What happens then is you're going to receive an email that says, thank you, welcome to the workshop. So as soon as you do that, you can immediately log in to the website. So what I'm going to do, I think I got 2 accounts right now. I'm going to log in with an account that is just yours, the participant account. First of all, I'm going to make a different video for organizing workshops. So this is the view that you will have if you're a simple user like I am. You will note that I have already filled some personal information. So when you log in, you got your account, you can see your events, your certifications and stuff. And what you will see is I've got my name, my last name, my email, my country, my time zone. This is this is a single code that you can use for logging in with users. So if you've got access to your email and that account, I'm going to delete that later on. You will be able to log in without a password, but just using this unique code here. I'm a participant, I've got a nickname, I've got this name on Discord, and I prefer French. It says, I already made a workshop. This is an account I created a couple of weeks ago, so I have already attended a workshop with this account, and I have not been an animator yet. So I can edit my personal information if I want to change here. I can change my nickname, my Discord name, my first name, my last name, my email. I can change my country if you want to find it like faster, like Germany, you just type and you find Germany, okay? And there's a time zone. I haven't given my time zone yet, so what I'm gonna do is be in Germany, and I'm going to say that I'm been using Europe / Germany should be Berlin. So I'll be using it, and this is your preferred language for communication. Now, if you select French or English, the emails you will receive will be in French or English. If you select anything else, as the website only supports the workshop languages, you will receive the emails in English. So if I just say German here, I'm fine, I'm going German. And then I can also select the workshop I would like to attend to. That'll be useful later on if one day we just have the ability to pre-filter the future sessions and to have email notifications, which is not implemented yet, but that will be coming one day or another. So let's just assume I just say that. So hello, now you can see that I prefer German, that I'm in Central European time, in Berlin time, and I'm in Germany. That's me, basically. I'm French, but let's just say I'm suddenly German, which is great. I'm German now. So you can find the events that you have registered to. As you can see, I have already participated in that event, which is what you find on my profile. You can see that I already did this event, that I attended, and I had a one-time code, unique code for this event. This is something useful when you register, as people might be able to request that from you. So I can see the events I have subscribed to that are suddenly draft if I lose them, the events I have registered to that have been cancelled for some reason, the events that I have registered to that are open, and the events that I am ready to attend and that the organizer has locked. So that's how you do it. So then, if I just went back to find a session and there's one that is open, at least we got two of these. So I'm just gonna take this one, and it says, hello, now we are logged in, we got an account, we validated, and okay, I want to participate in that. I want to do the workshop again, because it's the same one I already have, but why not? Why not? You can take any workshop that is available. Actually, is there any available one? No, it's the same. They're all in English. So I do accept the terms of use, and I confirm that I have read everything above. So this is something you gotta check. So now I am connected. So you will see your time based on your profile settings will be, and now it's automatically adopted my preferred time and my location, which is why it's useful to have set this up in my event and to have said in my account and to have said, I am in Berlin and I want to speak in German. So now you can say that the local time, even if it's organized in Austria with some weird timing here, you can see that it's not the same as me. So it's weird for me because it's not the same. It's not my local time, but it's fine. It's fine. If I'm fine at being up at 9:19 a.m. on the 21st of January 2025, then I'm going to apply for this workshop. And as a reminder, it tells you that the local time as I'm making this video is this one. All right. So what I'm going to do now is say I'm going to register, and I'm going to apply for this event, and I'm more than willing to participate. And it says, thank you for registering. You got an email at your email, and you might receive a reminder. So now you see, oh, suddenly I have a new event, my open events. And now you can see there are not 7 places left, but only 6, and I'm the one being registered. And as you see, now you got access to whatever you need to contact your organizer, their name, their email and their Discord nickname, which is, oh wait, it's me. So whoever will be your organizer, and you've got their rank too. As you can see, I have the maximum rank, which is 7. You can go from 0 to 7 depending on how many people you have trained. So this indicates that I'm one of the top most senior animator in this event, but it's okay. Anyone who's even level 1 is perfectly able to animate this workshop. So now I am registered. There's a reminder, there's everything here. I'm not going to show you my email, but I just received an email on the side. You didn't see the notification, but I did. I got an email notification that recaps everything here, and that sends me a link to how to get ready on the day. So that I need a computer, that I need to have a webcam, that I need to have a microphone, that I need to have time, a quiet place, and that I need to have at least 4 hours and 30 minutes free of time. Probably more than this, just 5. Just take 5 in the safe way, okay? And also it says I'm registered for that event, and it says that my Unicode is this one. Now, you're not going to use this Unicode most of the time, but if the organizer wants to check who is everyone, the only way they can access this Unicode is to read their email or to be connected on the website. So they might require you to give you the unique code. So you just copy paste the code and you will copy and paste it in Discord, or you just give the last numbers or whatever. So the organizer of the workshop knows who you are, and that's done. And let's just say now, things are things, life is life, and for some reason, unfortunately, I cannot attend the event. I have to cancel. So the website allows you to cancel once every event. So you cannot reapply for this event. And if later on you want to cancel your cancellation, like, oh, finally I can come to the event and things have been better, you will have to contact the animator and they can reapply you for the workshop. But you cannot do this on your own as a participant, okay? So now I did that. I just want to cancel, and it says, are you sure you want to cancel? So I just confirm. I say, yes, unfortunately, I have to cancel. I won't be able to attend this event, so I'm sorry. And there you go, I've been cancelled, and it says now you have cancelled this participation. It's only possible to do this once to avoid weird stuff and to prevent nightmares for organizers. So this is pretty much all you have to know, and now you got all the information. In the email, you've got everything you need to know. So when you want to do that, if you want to attend a workshop online, which is just what I did actually, you can everything is here. You just gotta read this, and it's gonna tell you that you got some instructions to follow. Like you have a computer, a quiet place, stable internet connections, speaker, headphones, browser. You need a mouse, preferably to a touchpad, and please arrive on time, because if you are late or if you leave early, you will not receive the certifications. You will have to do the workshop again, because there's some limit to the respect of the workshop. So you have to plan the indicated time, and if things get bad, like some technical problems happen, you and the organizer can decide to postpone the workshop and do a second part later on. It's completely fine to be split into 2 time slots, or maybe more if you want to, okay? So this is completely at your own initiative, so you have to do that by yourself, and that's it. And if this is a physical workshop, you got some instructions for the physical workshops too. No worries, you don't have to bring anything but yourself, and online you just need to have a computer. Like a laptop computer will perfectly be fine, and I just recommend you have a mouse instead of a touchpad, but touchpad does the same thing too. It's good too. So this is the way. You just got to read everything, and that's one page with all instructions. It's all a website. You will receive this link by email. And then something that can be done is, once you have registered to an event like this, once per event, if I didn't have cancelled like that, the organizer is free to send you an automatic reminder once per event. You will not be spammed by the website. This is only a one-time action, and they can send you a reminder that is just the same thing that the first email you received. Check your spam folder, by the way, and you will receive the event details, when it happens and stuff. You will have everything, and you will be notified that this event is still going to happen and how many people are registered to it at the moment. And that's it. You can also change your password here if you want to change your password. And if you have certifications, you can check your certifications like that. So if you need to share it with the world, which is fine, on LinkedIn, on X, on Blue Sky, you just click on this link and it's going to open a shared dialog, so you can just share it. And if you want to just get the certification online, you can just copy this by clicking on it. So this is going to click and copy, or you can just click on view my certification online, and boom, you will see the certification online. And the URL here is something that you can find online and that you can copy and send to the people you're proud of to showing. So you see, this is this form of URL. So you will be workshop Earth System Fresco /en/certification/view. And of course, you can view this in French too, and this will be in French. Okay, so the people can use it. So if you have multiple certifications, that's fine. You only have one certification for each event type, which means if you passed the Earth System Fresco online, you will receive an online certification, one for offline, one for the extension, one for the workshop plus the extension, and there you go. For here, for example, it was just the extension, which is the second certification I have received normally, but I should have the first one, the core workshop, and the certifications too. Certifications are generated by the organizers that need to confirm that you were present during the workshop event. Of course, you cannot really cheat that. And to conclude, everything I've just shown you here is free to use. It's all you need to know. There will be no spam. The emails are very lightweight. They are not sending you any information, anything. And as stated in the legal mentions, your email and stuff will never be leaked, used to any other website, anything else, and they will only be used for you passing workshops. And as GDPR laws require, if you further want to be anonymized, I can have your email and name removed from the database, but you have to know this will just remove your certification as well, of course, because we need to display your real name here. All right, that's all you need to know. So the website works on mobile too. You will enjoy using it on mobile too, but I recommend using a computer, as it's just it's better to use that with a computer. So this is pretty much all I had to show you today. And if you want to go furthermore, once you pass the workshop and you want to become an animator, you will be told how to do so at the end of the workshop. It's quite simple. You just ask for it. You just ask me, you ask to become an animator, and I will be granting you the rights as an animator, and you will have much more options on this website to then start creating workshops, events on your own, to invite people, to determine how many people you want to attend, which language, which country, which time, and you will be able to handle the organizer's view, like the participants. You can remove them, you can just change them, promote them to animators, co-animators if you need to, and you can manage all of that, but that will be for another video. This was just only about registering on the website and finding a workshop. So you got all the information you need on the homepage too, and that's pretty much all you need to know. The rest is just get on the website, read what is written, and if it's not clear to you, let me know. Thank you. See you later on the workshops.